Mormon missionaries go from zero to conversational Italian in just 9 weeks. I've coached athletes, actors, busy professionals, and everyday learners, and I can tell you one thing, it delivers results fast. So in this video I'll break down the 4 most powerful fluency rules Mormons follow to learn Italian fast, and showing you how to incorporate them in your own routine without moving to Italy or joining a church. So let's jump into rule number 1. At the Missionary Training Center they follow a rule called SYL, speak your language. From day one they are expected to speak, think and even pray in Italian. No fallback to English, no excuses. Trainers push them into full immersion immediately. They role-play conversations, share personal experiences and even teach lessons all in Italian by week 2. Try this at home. Set a 30 minutes SYL block, no English allowed. Narrate your morning in Italian. Watch a clip or show and summarize it out loud only in Italian. Text a friend or journal without translating. So, rule number 1, speak your language. Now, the brain adapts when it has no choice, so SYL forces that adaptation. But immersion alone isn't enough. You can be surrounded by Italian and still get stuck if all you have memorized are random words. To actually use the language, you need to train for real-life conversations. Missionaries don't just learn vocab. They learn phrases they will actually say. Can I help you? Would you like to join us? Can I share something with you today? These aren't academic exercises. They are real scripts ready for real moments. So try this at home. Turn every new word into a sentence. Caffè? Vuoi un caffè? Mangiare. Voglio mangiare qualcosa. Fluency lives in context, not flashcards. So rule number 2, learn phrases, not words. But even full sentences won't help if you keep them in your head. Understanding isn't speaking, and too many learners stay silent until they feel ready. That's where most fail. Missionaries don't wait. At the MTC, missionaries start speaking Italian from day one, even when they barely know any. They are encouraged to make mistakes, correct themselves and keep going. So rule number 3, speak before you are ready. Perfection is not the goal. Production is. Try this at home. Record a 1-minute voice diary every day. Talk about your day, your thoughts, what you just learned, all in Italian. Even if you mess up, you are building fluency on your feet. Still, speaking isn't enough by itself. If you really want to lock in what you have learned and push your fluency deeper, they explain ideas, retell stories and adapt what they know, all in Italian. That act of explaining forces the brain to clarify, organize and remember. It's how understanding turns into instinct. Missionaries do it every day, teaching others even with limited vocab. So rule number 4, teach to learn. Try this at home. After each lesson or video, explain what you learned in Italian. Say it out loud, like you are teaching a friend. Oggi ho imparato che devo parlare subito, anche se faccio errori. Today I learned that I need to speak immediately, even though I make mistake. This simple habit locks the language into long-term memory. The missionary method works because it combines immersion, real-life phrases, immediate speaking and teaching to reinforce it all. Miss one and you slow down. Use all 4 and fluency builds fast. Now, I've said a lot, but if you really want to learn Italian fast, if learning Italian is a struggle, watch this video next and remember, stick to Italian and Italian will stick to you.